This is a quick video to show you everything you're going to get with your free system and how you can use it to build your website and sales funnels with and to follow up with your leads. So right now you're looking at your analytics. This is going to show you all of your visitors in the last hour, last 24 hours, this week, this month, this year, and all time. It's also going to show you all your leads and all your members if you upgrade to get members. So everything in the system is free except for AI and members. So if you do want to have members or AI features, then you do need to upgrade. But other than that, everything else is free. So this is the analytics. Now for dashboard here, if you want to start building your custom dashboard for free, you can, and then you can upgrade later to onboard your members. So you can build a completely custom dashboard for free without paying for anything, and you only need to upgrade once you're ready to actually onboard members and provide them with that custom dashboard. So if we go here to leads, click on leads, you're going to see you've got your list of leads here. You've got your pipeline stages up here at the top. You can sort your leads by pipeline stages. You can change what these pipeline stages say. If you go here to pipeline stages, you can customize those completely. And you see you can import your list, you can export your list. If you click on this, you'll see you can send an email, a mass email to anyone that's selected, and also an SMS to anyone that's selected. And if you go here to pipeline, you see you can drag your leads to different pipeline stages just like that. And this is all 100% free. You never have to pay for any of this. You can view and edit the leads right from here. You've got an appointment scheduler and a calendar. When you schedule appointments, you can have it generate live online meetings using a service that gives you, I believe it's about 2,000 minutes for free. Okay, so if you go here to templates and styling, you see you've got the option to generate your templates with Cloud. That is an upgrade feature. So if you want to have that, $37 a month for the upgrade. And you can click this plus here to install a new template. This is free, and you can get thousands of templates online from sites like ThemeForest that you can install into this system in seconds. Another option is the web page cloner. So if you go here to the web page cloner, you can clone any page. So let's just do a quick demonstration of this. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to go to site, clickfunnels.com, and let's just go to some random page. Let's see if this one looks decent. So there's a ClickFunnels page, and let me just do Control-C to copy that. We'll put that URL in here. I'm going to put a folder name. This is where it's going to store all the files that it downloads from that page. I'll put a title here and a lowercase page name. We'll click on Clone Web Page and Create Template. Just got to give that a few seconds to download everything from that page and put it into your own system. And you'll see now you've got a page template in the drag and drop page builder that you can just go in here and edit all of the content on the page. And sometimes the videos will appear smaller in the editor, but they're not actually. And if you click on the video, you see this is where you can select which kind of video, whether it's just an HTML video, a YouTube, or Vimeo. And then you can change the video ID right there. And as far as the text, you just double click, you can change the text. So it's very easy to just clone any page and then just edit the content on the page. Again, here you just click on the video. This is where you can change the video ID if it's another YouTube video. And again, these videos may appear different sizes in the editor than they actually are. But if you look here on the preview of the page, you'll see that the videos are all the right size. So that's how the web page cloner works. So you can clone any page and then just edit it right inside the drag and drop page builder to quickly build your pages. Now also, if you go here to Cloud AI generations, if you do upgrade, you can click that button to generate your pages with this Cloud AI. So you just select kind of page you want to build. You type in your industry. You put in the colors you want. If you leave this blank, it's just going to use the colors you have set here for your system. So you can customize the colors of your system and set your own logo there. And then you can set a tone and style here of these options. And then you check of these options which things you want on the page. And then for advanced, this is where you can give it advanced instructions, tell it exactly what you want to do to build your pages. Again, that's the upgrade. It's available for $37 a month. So you've got three options. You can install a template, you can clone any page, or you can use Claude AI if you get the upgrade to be able to generate your pages for you automatically. Very easy to use. And so you can also drag on lead capture forms, but if you use these templates or clone a page or generate with Claude, it's going to automatically configure the forms that already exist on the page for you, so you don't even have to use that. But these features are available if you want to use the lead capture form builder. That's also available for you too. But it's just not that complicated that you'd even need to in most cases. So the dashboard builder here, this is where you can build your custom dashboard. So again, you can build this all for free. You only need to upgrade once you're ready to onboard members. So this system can be completely built as a back-end membership system where you invite members or clients to use it, and you can build it all beforehand for free. You only need to pay once you're ready to actually onboard your members or clients. Okay, so the front-end builder, this is where you'll build all your front-end pages. You see this here is the lead capture form builder. And then this is where you can share funnel pages with members if you decide to upgrade and onboard members. So again, all this is free except for members and AI features. So universal content here, this is where you can set your meta tags that you want to be site-wide on all of your pages. And you can set like an image that gets shared on Facebook, things like that there. Or if you wanted to set tracking code for Google, things like that, for if you're running paid ads or anything, you need to set tracking code. That's where you can do that for all your pages very quickly. You can also create universal sections inside the drag and drop page builder. So you just go in the page builder. See if I can show you right here. This little icon up here, if you click that, that's going to create a universal section, and then you'll be able to use that universal section. So that could be useful if you had something like a header or like a footer at the bottom you wanted to put universally on all of your pages. Then you can drag on a universal section to any of your pages that you want later on. Memberships, you can also build all your memberships beforehand, so you have this all ready to go before you even upgrade. And then once you upgrade, you can onboard your members. So everything can be built beforehand. You only have to upgrade if you want to actually onboard your members. It also has Stripe checkout. That's free. All you do is configure your Stripe checkout. You just put in your API key from Stripe, and you add one more thing to there, and then you can create checkout buttons to instantly send people to Stripe checkout from any of your pages. So email here, you see here, if you go to campaigns, you can create unlimited campaigns for free. You just click on add autoresponder campaign to do that. And if you get the upgrade for $37 a month, you can also generate your autoresponders, email and SMS with Claude. But if you want to just manually create all your autoresponders, that's 100% free. Never have to pay for it. Your emails are processed through any SMTP service you want. You could use Mailgun, or you could use Amazon SES, or anything else. So you also have SMS and voice features. Again, the AI is, you need to upgrade to get the AI, but everything else is free. So you go here to autoresponders. You can add an SMS autoresponder. So again, if you want to manually build your SMS autoresponders, add those manually, then it's free. If you want to have Claude generate those for you, so it can generate a sequence of, say, up to 30 SMS autoresponders, you just click that, and then you just tell it what you want it to do, and it will generate your SMS autoresponder campaign for you. See right here, up to 30 SMS messages can be sent in a campaign. So retargeters, this is what happens. So you just go to retargeters. This is when a lead revisits one of your pages, you can have it send them a new SMS message. So you just select a page here. See, all we've got right now is the home page. So when they come back to the home page, if I have that selected there, we can have it send out an SMS message. You can also do that for emails. And you see here in settings, this is where you're going to set your own system branding. You can assign other admins. You can set your Cloud AI and OpenAI settings here for the configuration for that. You can get Google Analytics here, your live meetings, and you get your own API and webhook included, so you can connect to Zapier and other things there. And you've got a support ticket system, but that's not really going to do you any good unless you have members. So although you can use that for free, you'll probably want to upgrade to get members using your backend to have that support ticket system be useful. So the system is very easy to use. I've shown you how you can build your pages and write your email autoresponder and SMS autoresponder campaigns. So just get your free system.